What up, y'all? It's your boy BCD in the house, and you are now rocking to another episode of Good Life Cooking. What we're gonna do today is head out to downtown really quick. I had to stop by like a food sampling event. Vegan food, of course. They got like popped lily bulbs. It's gonna be interesting. They got kombucha. I think there is also like an almond spread, and they just want feedback. So I figured why not bring you guys along and let's try some good food. All right, let's go. We have arrived. Time for the tasting, baby. We're gonna see what this place is all about. Check out this spot. Pretty dope.
Yes.
Let's go make some food tasting happen. Yes.
I have gum.
Holy shit.
Guys, this is actually like super refreshing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you
I don't
think?
know what it's supposed to taste like. I don't really drink vodka.
This kind of tastes like lemon soda.
It tastes like ginger. Here. I'm not a ginger fan. I'm sorry. It's good for you though. It's very good for you.
What's up? How's it going? This is Teresa, everybody. Say hi.
Hi, so this is Via Spreads. It's an almond-based, plant-based spread. I have 3 flavors. This one right here is vanilla, which is original. And then this one we have chocolate with cocoa and hazelnut. And then this one is blueberry. I'm gonna have you guys try all 3. This is a tasting event, so still just gathering insight and super happy that Brian's here.
Perfect.
All right,
We're gonna try the original first. Cheers. See that camera hand off there? Pretty cool. Not too sweet. Actually, it's like a good sweetness. It's like very fluffy and airy. Kind of digging it. All right, next flavor. Blueberry time. Get ready to rock and roll, baby. It's good. I actually like the blueberry. What was the first one?
That's vanilla.
I like the blueberry better than vanilla for sure. I'm a big blueberry fan, as you guys know, but it's really good. Fluffy, airy. You taste the nuttiness from the almonds, and it almost has like a cheese kind of quality to it, which is kind of cool. All right, we're gonna try some Makana popped water lily seeds. This is gonna be interesting because I've never had this before, but we're gonna see what goes down. Ooh, that's good, y'all. That's really good.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
So here we got pineapple and coconut. Let's see. I'm not a huge coconut fan. Damn, I'm a pineapple fan. I like that one. I like that a lot. Oh, it's buttery though. Oh, it's like really coconut buttery. What the fuck? It's like super buttery. Let's try this one. This one is a banana and strawberry. I almost need like something to cleanse my palate from that last one because I still taste the coconut and pineapple. But this one's good. I like this one.
Event is to get a feedback and to see what people like and people
Yeah, the
prepare.
apple is great. So this was like your grandma's recipe? Wow. Alright, we are done with the food samplings. It was awesome, most memorable. The lily bulbs or lily seeds were actually like the best in my opinion. Just kind of tasted like popcorn, but not like a chicharrones almost flavor to it. Love that shit. And of course, Via Spreads. It was awesome to taste and sample your food. Thank you so much for the invite. My boy John Kang hooking it up.
What's up, guys?
Anyways, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big like. If you found this video dope, I'll go tour some other shit for you guys in the city. We'll see what's up. Anyways, peace. Like.
Leave it up to Kitty to, of course,
Find the games.
find the video games.
I find all the games. I don't know how to use this though.